Hi, I'm Becky Johnson with Sweetheart Quilt Design Company. And about a couple weeks ago, YouTube sent us a letter, an email, and told us that we hadn't posted anything for 6 months. And we didn't realize it had been so long, and I'm really sorry about that. But we thought we'd kind of give you what's been up, what's going on. So in the summer of 2024, my husband and I went on a cruise to Alaska and had a really nice time, except that he was sick part of the time. So when we came home, he went to the doctor, and about a week after we got home, our journey with cancer began. And they stay in the hospital to start with. And I know all of you, or almost all of you, have been through this, either personally or with someone you love, and you know what it's like. You know what the time that the doctor's appointments take, and all the tests, and the hospital stays, and the emergency room visits, and all that stuff, and you know what it takes, and just the underlying stress that you don't even know is there, but it saps your strength. So anyway, but he's surpassed several dates that various doctors didn't expect him to, and he's still going strong. We're still fighting and enjoying each other and enjoying our time together. And when we go to the emergency room or to oncology, in spite of how he might feel, he's still learning everybody's names and calling the regular staff by name and getting people to laugh and telling jokes, and he gets his oncology doctor to laugh in spite of himself. And so he makes the world a better place because he's in it. So we decided that we wanted to do something to commemorate our trip to Alaska. So we bought this quilt kit, and this is the 2025 Pacific Northwest Shop Hop quilt, and I was able to buy the entire quilt last October, and so that I could make it. And I did a few things to make it my own. I changed the background. I wanted this really pale blue, and then I changed the borders to something that kind of fit my style better. But the applique was all pre-fused and laser cut, just phenomenal stuff. If you look at the bear here, all this shading, that's not printed, it's all applique. The designer did a fantastic job with this quilt, and it was fun to make. A lot of work, but fun. And then I edge stitched everything down, and we got it made. So it's a good memory of our trip, our cruise to Alaska. So we just wanted to let you know, we're still here. We're still fighting the good fight and being grateful every day for what we have. Thanks for watching.